Mineral resources and its problems. Look at these minerals, different types. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance of definite chemical composition and identifiable physical properties, and is a mineral or combination of minerals from which a useful substance such as a metal can be extracted and used to manufacture a useful product. Look at this gold. Mining. Operation generally progresses through 4 stages. First, prospecting, searching for minerals. 2. Exploration, assessing the size, shape, location, and economic value of the deposit. 3. Development, work of preparing access to the deposit so that the minerals can be extracted from it. 4. Exploitation, extracting the minerals from the mines. Look at this iron, copper, gold, diamond. Mining safety. Mining is a hazardous occupation, and the safety of mine workers is an important environmental consideration of the industry. Surface mining is less hazardous than underground mining. Metal mining is less hazardous than coal mining. Environmental problems. Mining operations are considered one of the main sources of environmental degradation. The extraction of all these products from the lithosphere. Look at this picture, environmental degradation. Variety of side effects, depletion of available land due to mining, waste from industries, conversion of land to industry, and pollution of land, water, air by industrial waste are environmental side effects of the use of these non-renewable resources. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.